Hey girls, this was an activity I thought we could look into doing. We could create worksheets and upload them into a Google Classroom. It's very easy. It's easy to get your kids to join, and then they could complete the worksheet. So, like for A, you could do 3, 2. I'm sorry, I'm using the Cami. I've never used this before. And then B, comma 9, and then they can turn these worksheets in directly to you through the Google Classroom and you can grade them there. It would just be like if you were grading a paper worksheet, but this way they, they have access to this too. Just a different way of um, implementing technology. If you guys are interested, I could walk you through it. All right, let me know. Bye.